Another weekend of adventure. Well, I guess it's an adventure. It's a cleaning and renovation adventure. Alright, so we're off to go grab the RV to bring it back to the house for another weekend of adventure. Well, I guess it's an adventure. It's a cleaning and renovation adventure. Which has to be done in order to actually go on the adventures. So, let's get this rolling. See how little the bead is up here. And I know even with the time lapse, y'all can see how much I was struggling. Do you see how thick this amount of caulk got behind that? They never intended for that to come undone. Alright, so right now I'm having to wait on the towel to be brought over because apparently it was not 100% of the water drained. Most of the water was drained, like it wasn't even registering anything on the meters. But apparently there was enough pressure still built up that when I went to go to unhook the shower and everything, you all couldn't see it because the angle, yeah, you might have seen it. But anyway, so water started to squirt out. So having to get the rest of the water finished drained out here. And so we can get this water unhooked. So we can get this out the rest of the way.